Hi friends, today I am showing you this VLAY garden hose spray nozzle. It's a heavy duty, high pressure firefighter nozzle with ergonomic handle. So let's explore this one today. And as you see, this is all metal and the rugged body. The front is there with a high pressure nozzle here. And the handle is on the top. That can be is like any rotation to adjust the water flow, and also you can adjust the water flow from the rotation in this one. So I will show you this demo so that you can see. It's a heavy quality. This is the size of the whole tap, like the spray. So I'm just trying to now put the water hose. So I'm just trying to put the water hose into this spray nozzle. It's a really heavy duty one. It's a heavy metal. These are the water spray pattern that you can see when I'm opening this to control the flow and then rotating this flow. You can see the distance it's covering with their high pressure. Fully open, it will close, and then you can just get it back from there.